Hey yo, what's up guys? Yeah, it's been a while since I dropped a new video, but a lot's been going on in the background while I was away. I just picked up a new project for the Streetseeker brand. I got myself a slammed Lexus GS400, pretty much the VIP build. I'm gonna go with it. It's a little rough looking, definitely needs work. I got it for a really good price, so I didn't mind. Plus with all the work that needs to get done on it, it gives me an opportunity to create more content for you guys based off around the Lexus GS400. So to me, I looked at it as an investment purchase for the channel. Today we're gonna pretty much replace the rad fan. It does have an engine light for the throttle position sensor, so we're definitely gonna change that. I have two of my buddies coming by, Tim and Jacob, and I just pick away at it. I'll give you an overview of the Lexus shortly. Yeah, so stay tuned. All right guys, we're gonna give you guys an overview of the Lexus right now. As you can see, here is the rear end. We got Tim, Jacob. Sheesh. Look at the front fitment here. As you can see, the fender is buckled a bit. Like I said, this car is a little rough. We got a windshield crack here, a couple rust bubbles on the headline, like the roof line. There is a little dent on the quarters here, but that's all good, you know. You gotta just trust the process. It's gonna come along. You guys will see it for sure on the channel, the whole process of this car. The wheels got beat up right here, super gouged. Definitely needs a repolish on the lips. Both sides of the fenders buckled. Probably have to change the mirror cap on this, or even just get power folding JDM mirrors. Look at this lineup right now, y'all. Sheesh. They got the Euro and Japanese VIP.
Ready, drop me off.
Huh? Damn, slam boys. We got Jacob E46 here. We got Tim's E36.
Fucking clean too, eh? Looks like you just got freshly painted. Nice.
How's it feel to drive this Mercedes? To be a Mercedes owner?
Still feels weird. I'm such an Infinity guy. Like, it feels like it's not my car.
Damn, rusty, eh?
Sure. Oh. I guess what you do is you clamp. Just twist them.
How's the coolant hose, the condition on that?
It's not good, no cracking.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. Damn.
Sell my car and get this. Going for sale too. She said, like, do you clean it? It's going out to the lot.
Damn, there's a big body, yo.
Big body and back camera, everything.
Damn.
Trade the DS and my car for this car. Big body car.
Oh, it's only a 250 though. We don't.
Sure.
Shit, we don't want the 250. We want the 300 at least.
Okay, you save money on gas.
Got the V8. Yeah, gas is gonna hit me pretty hard on this car for sure. Yo. If I'm gonna daily this quite often, it's gonna cost me more than the fucking than the Z.
Shout out Rock Auto.
That's
Rock Auto sponsors.
Rock Auto's gonna be the fucking sponsor of this car. If you see this video, definitely send me some coupons. I can order some more parts off you guys. But I don't appreciate you charging like $1,000 to ship a bumper.
Facts.
I looked at the prices yesterday. I was like, what the fuck? $1,100 through FedEx just to ship a bumper?
That's crazy.
Their price
bro.
is like $230 or whatever. I was like, holy fuck. Better off just fucking
Get it from Japan,
yeah,
bro. At that point.
Might as well getting a resto bumper. All that just excited me. Probably take this intake box out because that part, this part of the intake box is blocking the one side of the rad fan shroud. So
I could maybe kind of like.
No, I think it's gonna hit. It's literally just a bolt right there. So look at this. Ooh, what kind of cooling is that gonna do for the car, yo? Jeez. Then how about this side? Oh shit, barely wants to spin. Kind of little C's there, you know. But good thing we got some new parts, fresh. So I think the cooling is gonna be drastically improved. But yeah, at least the coolant hose are still intact, good. We can reuse those. And
use these.
yeah,
Probably use all the hardware for the fan as well.
yeah. Only thing we probably just have to transfer is just the hose. That's all the new, and the hardware, as I said. Yeah, it doesn't come with screws.
Yeah.
Comes with that though. Install the rad fan on the back of it. Should be good to drop back in. Boost the battery because it's been dead for a while, and then hopefully get this car driving. Get some rollers. Damn, look at that butter. Oh yeah, lines up nice. Oh snap, man. You just got the gym or what? That's good, bro.
Smart one, he got the Starbucks already.
This one's all set to go in, but we're gonna do the thermostat.
Thermostat now. So shout outs to the homie Ash for you know, the hookup on all the thermostat and coolant and the spill-free jug, you know, everything of the GS. Damn. Beauty. We're gonna take off the covers for the valve, for the engine, and take off the throttle body to replace the position sensor so we can clear the code. Hopefully that fixes, that will give me no codes afterwards, and we can get the coolant running again and bleed it, and hopefully I can insure it today and go for a drive or something, you know? Go for a bobo run or something. Oh, you got it? You got it. And then one person pulled it. Yes, sir. Doing a pretty good job on it. While I was cleaning the threads on the studs as well. Yeah, it looks good. It's just the housing is gonna hold it in.
Yeah.
I think the last time, because it was corroded in there a bit. Yeah, that's why it held in place. There you go. The next piece, we're gonna take off this part of the throttle body because the throttle position sensor is just right here, just underneath here. TPS. So yeah, it looks like we're gonna take off the whole thing. Got the intake box out. Now that's gonna expose some of the bolts for the throttle body, and we can access that. It looks like there's two 12s or 14s there. Just connect some other top hoses on it. Unplug the harness here. It should come out.
Oh yeah, man, a little picnic here, eh?
Just get some shade over here by the
Watch
truck.
out, I can snap at this on that.
Bro, I'm like up like
You
this.
just snap at
Pop a
this.
squat.
Why you sit like that, boy? Why you built like that?
I'm fucking cambered up, bro. Negative camber, bro.
That one sucks.
Yo, what the fuck? Who clamped it?
Yeah, who cleared that backwards?
The guy who put this clamp on, bro, needs to be sentenced to life, bro. This is illegal.
That's the worst, yo. Let me get my hose clamp fire.
Yeah, bro, it is not going.
You got it or no?
No.
It's coming out. It's coming out. What's restricting it?
What am I trapped on here? Cable. We just finished installing the throttle position sensor.
Yes, sir.
Now we're just doing the, you know, reverse removal, equal install.
3-man ride jump.
Oh yeah, that one did fall off.
Where'd it go? Under the car?
The rad is all installed. We just topped up some of the coolant. We're gonna put the jumper, well, we have the jumper on the battery. Just turn it over so it can suck a bit of the coolant down. We only put 1 liter or 1 jug so far, so
Perfect.
Moment of truth.
Yeah. Between the throttle position sensor, so I think the computer doesn't know where it wants to read.
Yeah, it has to read.
At least it's not sputtering like before. The lights are just going crazy though. Now it's like not bad. It's consistent. Yeah.
Think it's gonna be okay now?
Let's hope so. Let's hope this was no wasted effort, you know? Alright, so the verdict after today is that we did get the rad fan in, we did change the throttle position sensor, and then we were having we were having that the idle issue. So Jacob unplugged the map sensor off the airbox, and it was just getting good readings in the RPM. It was like 500, revving around like 500 RPMs, but it's just a little rough. Definitely looks like I need a water pump because it wasn't
spinning when it was on.
yeah, it wasn't taking the coolant in, and the pulley wasn't spinning, and yeah, once the new map sensor, we replaced that, it should be better. Definitely need a freaking exhaust because you can hear the freaking thing just plop 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 though. But we're gonna wrap this up today. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to see more progress on the GS400. And at this moment I'm just gonna have to empty the account again and buy some more parts and fucking get this thing going again. So but yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Like the video, subscribe to the channel for future content, and I'll see you guys in the next progress of the GS400. So peace out.